Here's the story. I used to trade stocks. I think I still have $500,000 in my stock account. And if you're trading any stock, I traded Robinhood and TSM, and I used to trade a lot of stocks, 500 shares. That's a lot of money to have tied up to make a couple $1,000s. I used to get up to maybe $4,000, $5,000, but I can achieve the same result when I'm trading SPY options or IWM options with just a $5,000 in my account, because the options are like 79 cents or 53 cents or whatever. Actually, it's $79 or $53 because you're holding 100 shares as the underlying shares for your SPYs. So I'm a total convert to trading SPY options and IWM options. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I talk about my results and how I get them and how you too can achieve such dramatic results quickly. Like you're in and out very quickly. You can't do that with stocks.